Hi everyone, this is Hansa from Top Tier DIY. Welcome to my Rootify series video, the series about hydroponics. Today I want to show you my first steps in building a home hydroponic system, a vertical tower. I originally wanted to have fresh herbs and vegetables at home, mainly for taste, but also to save costs. The vertical tower looked like a perfect solution. It takes up very little space and can be built quite easily. The main part of the tower is made from a white PVC ventilation pipe. I drilled holes all around the circumference so that I could place individual pockets for the plants. The pockets are made from central vacuum system elbows, also made of PVC. I used this material for one simple reason: to be able to glue the individual parts together in a watertight way. Standard hydroponic baskets with a diameter of 5 centimeters are inserted into the elbows, so the plants stay firmly in place. In the center of the tower, there's a water supply line that leads to the head at the top of the tower. It creates a rain effect inside the pipe and irrigates all the plants in their pockets almost at the same time. This construction saves a lot of space, uses significantly less water than a traditional bed, and helps the plants grow faster, cleaner, and healthier, without soil. And that's it. It's quite simple, isn't it? It's not rocket science. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Next time, I'll show you the solution for nutrient container, which supplies water and nutrients to the tower. You'll see exactly how you can build it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, share this video, or just give it a like. I'd also be happy if you visited my Facebook or Instagram, or you can even buy me a cup of coffee. Links are somewhere down in the description. See you on the next video.